Guys, got a sec? Let me show you what I made.
Hello, world. This is a test of the AI voice generator.
Hello, world! This is a test of the AI voice generator.
Yep, I built this entire app without writing a single line of code, and you can do it too. Let me show you how. Open your browser and type Google AI Studio. Click on the first link and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Build. Here you can see some of the projects I've already made, from an AI voice generator to an AI math solver, all created for free without any coding. Now, in the text box, just type the idea for the app you want to make. For example, create a calorie counter app. Then hit build and let the magic begin. The AI will think for a few seconds and then start coding automatically for you. Give it a moment and boom, your fully functional calorie counter app is ready. You can check out things like your calorie log, daily graph, and even add new items. Let's say I add one apple, see that? It instantly counts the calories and updates the list. Pretty awesome, right? You can also customize the app however you want. Just type your suggestion and the AI will adjust the code for you. As you can see, it has altered the code as per my suggestion and add the options I asked it to add. And once you're done, you can rename, download, deploy, or share your app directly, even post it on GitHub. If you want me to show you how to deploy your app, let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, because that too is free.